Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota RAV4 maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Ensure your dashboard display shows the odometer or trip meter. If not, press the DISP button until the odometer appears. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance light reset function. Next, turn your ignition completely off. Now, locate the trip meter reset button, usually near your odometer display, and press and hold it firmly. While still holding this button down, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not release the button yet. This sequence initiates the reset process for your maintenance light. Keep holding that trip meter reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance required light on your dashboard will begin to flash. After a few moments, it will then disappear completely. This visual confirmation means the system has successfully registered the reset and your maintenance light is now off. Once the light disappears, you can release the trip meter reset button. To finalize the process and ensure everything is correctly set, turn your ignition completely off once more. Then, turn it back to the on position or even start your engine. Double-check your dashboard to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. You've successfully reset it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.